In the year 2024, a revolutionary movement began to take shape in the world of health and wellness. It all started with a simple idea to provide free, accessible health guides to anyone who needed them. The creators of this movement believed that everyone, regardless of their financial situation, deserved to have access to the information and resources they needed to live a healthy life. The concept of free health guides quickly gained traction as people from all walks of life began to realize the importance of taking control of their own well-being. These guides covered a wide range of topics, from nutrition and exercise to mental health and stress management. They were designed to be easy to understand and implement, making them accessible to people of all ages and backgrounds. One of the key principles of the free health guides was empowerment. The creators believed that by providing people with the knowledge and tools they needed to make positive changes in their lives, they could help them take control of their health and well-being. This empowerment was evident in the way the guides were structured, with practical tips and advice that could be easily incorporated into daily routines. As the popularity of the free health guides grew, so too did the movement behind them. People began to share their success stories and experiences with others, inspiring more and more individuals to take charge of their own health. Communities formed around the guides, with people coming together to support and encourage one another on their wellness journeys. One of the most powerful aspects of the free health guides was their inclusivity. They were designed to be accessible to everyone, regardless of their background or circumstances. Whether someone was struggling with chronic illness, mental health issues, or simply looking to improve their overall well-being, there was a guide available to help them on their path to better health. The impact of the free health guides was profound. People reported feeling more energized, happier, and healthier than ever before. Chronic conditions improved, mental health issues were better managed, and overall quality of life increased. The guides had truly transformed the way people approach their health, empowering them to take control and make positive changes for the better. In addition to the individual benefits, the free health guides also had a wider impact on society as a whole. By promoting healthy living and wellness, they helped to reduce the burden on healthcare systems and improve overall public health. Communities became stronger and more resilient as people came together to support one another in their wellness journeys. As the years went by, the free health guides continued to evolve and expand. New topics were added, and the guides were translated into multiple languages to reach even more people around the world. The movement behind them grew stronger, with advocates and supporters working tirelessly to promote the importance of health and wellness for all. In the end, the free health guides became more than just a collection of resources. They became a symbol of empowerment, community, and hope. They showed the world that everyone deserves the chance to live a healthy, happy life, and that with the right knowledge and support, anything is possible. The legacy of the free health guides lived on, inspiring generations to come to take control of their own well-being and make positive changes for a brighter, healthier future.